Oh, Nigel or Rocky, man. Oh, come up with it. Nigel. Yeah, man. Bad bro. Yo, Nigel! Yeah, man. Bad bro, man. Nigel kill something long about there. Share them in a row. Yeah. Yeah, man. Machine in a row. And next one here again. Down the line where I go. Button. Button again. Ah, road boy. Button again. Yeah, man. Black smoke, eh? I'm out. How film Tapalin looks like? Watch a man. Up with the 94 there. Yo, bad bro. Tip chill, neat though. Yo man. I hate man. Nash cable over here, two set there. Now we have a wash grid. Yeah man. Open Jones. Ah! Yeah man. Machine. Yeah man. Take your time and go. Bad freight there, two set there. Yeah man. Tip trail, loaded sand. Hold on, that freight look familiar. Look like a HF. Yeah man. Bad freight man. You know it man. Oh gosh man, Shagore wash sun, you see me? Water run out of the tailgate. Road clear out. Yeah man. Shagore. Yeah man. Let me see if a Shagore sand them. All the Shagore sand them wash, isn't it? Yeah man. Ah! Outside! Yeah man. Bad bro. Yeah man. Dip in a gearbox. Yes, boy. Dip in a gearbox. What you mean? Dip in a gearbox. Yeah, man. Hear that, man? War a go on down so war a go on. War a go on. Get it? War a go on. Kuya. War a go on. Watch out. Him touch him. Bombard. Yo. War. We have it, man. We have it. Bombard. We have it. The bad bro here come up. Up with the Nash. Bad bro. Yo. Yes, bro. Yeah, man. We have it, man. Outside, man. Judgester. No, sir. Watch